So, as we are busy reliving our lives through this pandemic, as the Unlock 1.0 is announced, here's another bummer that was announced on Sunday. But was it really a bummer? Well, I thought of instead of shoving my face on your screens every time, let's just change for a bit, as I have not recorded a moto vlog from a long time. And I know you all come here to see the bike, not me. But please take a note that this video was shot before the new guidelines were announced, and I had taken every precaution necessary. And the audio you hear is after the guidelines were announced. I guess that explains everything. With the Unlock 1 still in progress across the country, Maharashtra also followed suit with some staggering relaxations to ease the economic tensions and slowly come back to normal life. However, all of this is being done while keeping the COVID spread in check. Being the state with the most number of active cases and Mumbai being the most susceptible city at the moment, no risk can be taken with bringing about total relaxation. In lieu of this, the Mumbai police brought about yet another rule. This step was taken by the Mumbai police on Sunday, issuing new guidelines for any moment. What does the guideline say? Well, to put it in easy words, we can't really go out beyond 2 kilometers from our residence. Except we are going for essential services or to office. For any non-essential reason, we will be only allowed to go up to 2 kilometers from our residence. Now, according to me, the step has to be out of necessity as the number of cases have been increasing, and Mumbai especially seems to be the center of all. And since the Unlock 1.0 was announced, people just splashed out of their houses as if the pandemic is over. Beaches, promenades were crowded, and the city was completely a mess as there was a huge surge in the number of cases. Beaches, promenades were crowded, and the city was completely a mess as there was a huge surge in the number of cases. But are these new guidelines really the right guidelines? Well, I really can't judge, but here's my opinion. One of the guidelines has been the bone of contention for the netizens. It is about the 2 kilometer radius, which means that only services that are within 2 kilometers from your residence are allowed and not beyond. The rule also states that any vehicle parked beyond the said radius will be seized by the police. Netizens are not exactly enthused by the idea. It is extremely confusing and this has infuriated them. For many, their livelihood will be at stake as it might involve them going from one place to another. Many also raise the concern of having senior citizens in different parts of the city, and since it is outside the said radius, they might not be able to keep a check on them and their health. It has caused a massive traffic jams in various parts of the city as well. Okay, I know the utmost important thing is our life and health, but also we really can't do without work. I have a couple of friends who work in the travel industry and now their entire income source just vanished in a day as travel is just not possible. Also, people from creative fields such as photography, videography, and other fieldwork artists are facing the burns. And obviously, there are a lot of people out there whose livelihood depends on going out. So, are these guidelines really the right guidelines? Well, we can't say much because we have to follow the rules and the guidelines issued by our government and the police. So, let's just hope things get better ahead and we are able to live freely and hope that this pandemic gets over. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please also do support me in this journey. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.